Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. We're going to do some fun foil. There's some Igel Beauty. Let me get back up. Here are my Igel Beauty foils. These are for Valentines. It's coming up soon. Got these from igelbeauty.com. I don't know if they still have them. I got these like, I don't know, 5-6 years ago. I got them in these package right here. This, whoopsie. In this box they came in with these other. It's funny because it's these hearts and they came in these designer foils here. How super cute is that? How super cute. I'm digging those. Digging the pink. That might be kind of cool to do that one. But I don't know. We'll see down the road there. We will see down there, but I am going to be painting. We got the white nails for the foil. These two here are going to be Madam Glam. No other but Heart Glow. It's fitting. But right now, we are going to paint the white nails foil with glitter. SheModern.com. You can use my link in the description box, and my code is NailedIt67, all caps. So we're going to do this like an assembly line. Oh, that's too much. That's too much. Oh, is that too much? You got enough on one nail to do both. Shoot. That I'm gonna pop these in the lamp as is. Oh, I could paint them. Okay, did I cure? I gotta cure the right one now. Now we'll be back. Here we go. First out of the lamp. We'll apply our foil. Give me a lint-free white. Let's see if I can get my arms off the desk because there's no hobble and shaking in a good one. No good one. Hobble. I can't remember how I say it. We just don't need no shaking. Oh, we're gonna rinse it off the stand is what we're gonna do. Let's just try to keep it on the stand now. Try to keep it on. I don't know if I'm gonna lose it off the stand. I don't know. We might. I think we might. Yeah, we sure are. Well, if I do, I did. Get your sidewalls. Get your sidewalls. So now, see if I can get this back on here. There we go. Should have put this in lamp already. Back in 60. We could paint our nails now over here with our Heart Glow by Madam Glam. I am an affiliate with Madam Glam. My code is Just.nailedit 30. I have an affiliate link in my description box. I'm going to move my lamp a little bit. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. Beautiful, look at this. Just stunning. Just stunning. Thought it was fitting for the occasion. The name fit as well. They say one, you can have it as one color. You can apply 2 coats, which is rule of thumb. It's so beautiful. 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 Look at that. That's just stunning. Alright. Here we go. I think this is a super, super cute foil. Super cute. Okay, our lamp is finished. I'm probably rubbing more than what needs to be. Let me get my sidewalls real well. I'm sorry for any hobble and bobble of the lamp. Looky there, looky there. Whoopsie. Whoopsie daisy. Here we go. Here is our set. I'm going to put a second coat on, just see if it deepens it. It should. It should. It should, George. My friend George sounds real nice, what I call him. Alright, here we go. We're going to apply some top coat. We got some top coat by Madam Glam Silk Off No White Top Coat, which is my babe besides she modern. You know I'm a she modern type of gal, right? Right? She modern is my top coat. Other than that, I'm a Madam Glam type of girl. Madam Glam for me, all the way. Madam Glam Highway. Use my affiliate link in the description box again, please. My code once again is Just.nailedit 30. Save yourself coin after coin after coin. They're going to be having a luscious set coming out, a collection. September. It probably will September. February 4th. Keep your eyes peeled and be waiting for that. I cannot wait to show you. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to show you. I cannot wait. I can't wait. I can't wait to reveal. Da-da-da.
Okay, got some jobs I didn't spill them. Let's try to do this way now. Whoopsie. Lindsay. Okay, let me get up here so I can see now. Okay. Okay. Take it down real quick. Whoops. Mess. Okay, in perfect.
Here we go. Here's our first Valentine's manicure of the season. I really want to take a sneak peek shot and send it to Miss Kiki Shaw. Shaboom, shabang. Shaboom, shabang. Oh, look how super cute that turned out. Oh, yes, yes, yes. It's super, super cute. Okay. That is how this internet highway to Miss Kiki Shaw. Shaboom, shabang. Shaboom, shabang. You guys probably think I'm nuts doing that. I think that me and her think it's a riot. But here's our manicure. First Valentine one of the season. Super, super cute. Oh my god, this one's upside down. Oh, oh no. Oh no. George, what'd I do? What'd I do? Oh well. It is what it is. What you gonna do, you know? What did I do? Oh well. I think it's super cute. Super, super cute. Take a gander, take a gander. I think it's super cute. Super, super cute. So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me some words of criticisms, advice, suggestions, anything you got. Throw them at me. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.